everybody, welcome to Bedroom Busters and Bites, Season 2 with Tahani and Friends. I want y'all to enjoy some wonderful conversation, real talk, and just everything in between. And believe me, you worth serving more than just tea.
Diddy bopped up the fire, evolved, whacking these fastball sliders and all. The Andrew McCutcheon of music I ball, translucent where you think that you sing dissolve. Got more things I'm bagging and getting it off. Got them on twitching and itching. Two girl is watching, I give her a fixing. Foreigns and wild looking just like a stitching. But that ain't your broad and I'm all handcuffed.
Hello, this is Tahani and Immoral, or French V if you ask, with Bedroom Busters and Bites, and we're making Pico.
You're making Pico. And this is the best Pico, might I add in. I never knew how to make Pico until she showed me how. And I still have to master it, so if you could tell me what you're doing, that would be great.
Okay, so right now, I've already pre-cut some red onion and some tomatoes. And I'm chopping up some more red onion, because this isn't enough for your appetite.
I don't have a big appetite, to be honest with you.
Well, every time I make it, it disappears. And you're the only one in the kitchen.
This is very good. That's the best Pico I've ever
Every time French V cooks, you always have to say,
That's true.
That's okay though, but I mean she makes it.
and it's not all that good either.
No, it's very good, honestly. Well,
Hey.
I've heard you
Keep-
requesting
keep-
it, like that delicious orange pill.
Oh, wait.
We ain't gonna talk about that, honey.
French beef.
Oh, so you on my side?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But her Pico's really good though.
It is.
I'll be the judge of that.
Oh, honey, you ain't getting none of this.
No, I'm getting some of that. I'm definitely getting some of that.
So you just cut the onions up.
So right now she's cutting up the onions and the tomatoes, and she's letting us know how finely chopped do they have to be. Cause I like mine kind of chunky. So is that good or is that too much? Like does
That's
that,
okay. Chunky.
Does it have to be a certain kind of way?
No, not at all.
Okay, that's
okay,
good.
so move this to the side.
I'm
gonna add it to this bowl right here.
Mine away.
Yes, you are, as normal.
Okay, so basically, I kind of feel like I'm in a way. I feel like I'm in a way about this topic I want to talk about. And somebody actually, I promise you, somebody emailed me and said, next time y'all have your show, y'all talk about something else. I said, okay, you want to talk about something. What you want to talk about? They said, why don't y'all talk about women who have babies by married men? And I was like, okay. I mean, I didn't see the significance of it because, I mean, it had
It's a lot of significance, honey. Okay.
Okay.
What if the man don't tell the woman that he's married?
Thank you.
It doesn't matter because you know why? People shouldn't just be going around having kids anyway.
I can't disagree with that. Let me just finish chopping these peppers.
I mean, but here's the thing. There's a lot of people who don't believe in aborting babies and things as such. But you can't really blame it and shift it on the woman because, like they say, it takes two to tango. It definitely takes Yes. Okay, here we go.
I'm going to beg a differ on that one. It's on both parties.
Okay.
If the girl tells the guy, look, she's pregnant, and if the guy says, nah, you got to get rid of it, and she doesn't get rid of it, who's that child? Who's responsible going to be for that child?
The woman.
Yep.
Who?
The man.
Is it right?
I don't agree with
Not,
that.
I don't agree.
Hold on.
okay, go ahead.
No, you
Let
go
me
ahead.
finish.
Yeah, I'm saying I want to know.
The reason why I say that because I'm speaking from my perspective.
Okay.
My last son.
Oh, your last situation. Oh, okay. So what happened?
So what happened was, I guess she found out that, my situation, and she tried to off them off to another family. But her family came and saved my son.
So basically, what you're saying is that did you want the baby and she had the baby, but you wanted it, but she
I didn't want it.
Oh.
That's why you gotta leave them hoes alone, bro.
I mean, come on.
Leave them hoes alone,
We're talking
bro.
about past tense.
Oh. So what did you expect? So you expected her to get an abortion,
Of course.
and she didn't get the abortion.
No.
And okay, if you said if someone came in and
What if you was married, even more so, and you're telling her?
What's this?
he
That
shouldn't
would
have
never
been cheating if
happen.
he
No,
was
watch this.
exactly.
If I was married, I wouldn't be in my situation. If I was married, I wouldn't be doing that.
I don't.
Right.
Believe, I don't agree with that. I don't think that's true.
Well, let's keep
Let's
it real, Mister.
Yeah, I don't agree that if you was married that you wouldn't.
Excuse me, let's keep it real. You
I
want
would
me
be
to finish
doing
this
what?
Pico and not?
I think you
Oh,
probably
I'm
would still be
sorry.
cheating.
If I was married, you think I'd still be cheating?
I do.
I wouldn't.
But you told me about
Wait a minute. Time, hold that thought. Let me finish with your mom. I can't deal with both.
Well, why
Make
they
my
told-
anxiety go crazy. Let me deal with your mom first.
So
Go ahead.
Okay, I just think that I just don't believe.
So you think that all men cheat?
Well, I think that they do, and maybe it gets to a certain point when they can't cheat anymore, and that's because of reasons that they're gonna do it anyway. That's what I think.
All right, look, let me answer this one. If I didn't have my situation, I still will be cheating.
Okay, hold that thought real quick. I'm sorry, I'm not getting over nonsense because I want to hear what's going on, but I need to know what she's doing real quick, and then we're gonna get back into that.
She was a little aggravated.
Go ahead. I'm sorry. Go ahead.
Are we doing interviews or making Pikachus? Okay, let's get to it, y'all.
All right, let's get.
I done added about 4 limes.
Yeah.
Putting some salt and pepper in here. Some oregano.
Wait, that was just oregano or salt and
Not,
pepper?
I'm sorry, it was cilantro. My bad.
Honey, don't embarrass me because I just gave you props on this Pico and it don't appear that you will be representing the drink.
I'm mixing it right now, guys.
I think it's gonna taste good. I think it's gonna taste really good. But you know what's so crazy about the set though? Like, we're recording and I don't know. We have so many things that's going on because we had a wonderful conversation going on this end, and then we had this right here. But you mind if we jump back into this real quick?
We sure can.
And right now you're just mixing, and you added your lime.
Mixing.
So she added her lime, her cilantro, her salt and pepper, her red onions, her tomatoes.
And now I'm about to taste.
Okay, but
You're doing it too early, bro.
okay.
She's not just let her do her.
Let's go back to you, sir. Because I remember having a conversation, I'm sorry guys, with this man right here. And he told me that if he was married,
If
you said you would still.
cheat.
Yeah.
So you just
And you just said if you wasn't, you
Well, guess
wouldn't.
what? I didn't contradict myself. I ain't somebody's gonna pull that out way back
So she blew up your
conversation
spot.
and try to put me on display.
Because you said that you.
No, listen, Tom, when I answer your question, this is another day. Your mom said something and then she tried to say that she doesn't believe that. So when I said,
she
wait a
was
minute,
right. But she was right because you told me you would cheat. You said you would
I would cheat. Definitely would cheat. I said it. So what?
Yeah, but then.
Why are you high-fiving him? You
Yeah,
said he was cheating.
for that.
You gotta do what you gotta do, bro.
But
Come on.
so you don't think men ever become faithful at a point in their life?
I didn't say that. Some men will become faithful.
Would you be?
There's still some faithful men out here. I haven't met them, but I know they're out here.
Now, guys, I have completed my Pico De Gallo,
You ready?
and it's time for you to try them. It's a little spicy. It's a little spicy.
That's
So,
Not sure. Napkins.
Sorry.
Made a little spicy.
I like spice.
I can try it. You can get that one up out of here.
I'm sorry, I'm all shaking.
She's nervous.
Let's see, guys.
Mom's first.
it's spicy, Hugh.
Yeah.
Yep, gone. You like this? You have some? That's good.
It's always good, honey.
Wrap it up. You gotta try it.
I did.
Where's the rest of the nachos? Because you said,
Next time, let's jalapenos. Okay.
You have to have a nacho and try it on there.
Thank you all for tuning in to Bedroom Busters and Bites. I'm French Reed. This is Tahani, and I hope you all enjoyed yourself.
Bye, guys.
Bye.